All right, picture this. I'm on the first tee, gripping the Teton HXD hybrid driver, hoping this club is going to be my new secret weapon for keeping the ball on the fairway. I'd heard it promised the accuracy of a hybrid combined with the distance of a driver, which is exactly what I needed to bring some consistency to my game. So, with a mix of excitement and nerves, I took my first swing. Right away, I noticed how good this club felt in my hands. It's got a sleek design with a solid stainless steel head that's a bit bigger than your average hybrid, and a 15-degree loft that's perfect for getting the ball airborne. I chose the senior shaft for a bit more flex, but there are plenty of other options available to match your swing. As I lined up my first shot, I couldn't help but think, all right, Teton, show me what you've got. To my surprise, the first few swings were solid. The ball was flying straight down the fairway, much more consistently than I expected. It wasn't the longest shot I've ever hit, but that accuracy was a game changer. I knew exactly where the ball was going, which gave me a huge confidence boost. Even when I didn't hit it perfectly, the Teton still managed to keep the ball on target, which is more than I can say for some of my previous clubs. I also tried it off the turf, using it as a fairway wood. And that's when I really started to appreciate its versatility. It worked like a charm from the fairway, giving me a solid, easy-to-control option when I needed to advance the ball without taking unnecessary risks. I even gave it a go from the rough, and while it took a bit of getting used to, the Teton handled it better than most hybrids I've tried. Now, when it comes to distance, I'll be honest, it's not quite up there with my regular driver in terms of raw power. But when you combine that accuracy with its reliability, I found myself reaching for the Teton more and more. Knowing that I could consistently hit the fairway gave me a lot of confidence, especially on tighter holes where a wayward shot can ruin your score. Those longer lag putts started to look a whole lot more manageable. Would I kick my driver out of the bag for the Teton HXD? Probably not completely. I mean, let's be real, there's something special about smashing a driver down the fairway that's hard to replace. But I definitely keep the Teton as my go-to club for days when I need to play it smart and stay in the fairway. It's like having a trusty sidekick who always has your back when the pressure's on. The best part is, even if you're not 100% sold, the manufacturer offers a 60-day money-back guarantee so you can try it out risk-free. I'd say it's worth a swing if you're looking for a club that can help you stay out of the rough and make more confident approach shots. So next time you're on the course and need a reliable partner in crime, the Teton HXD hybrid driver might just be your new best friend.